Let us learn about lambda expressions. Already I have explained about lambda expression. So I'll write a simple expression and also I will call it. This is for the capture list and this is for the parameter list and this is the body of a expression, and here I will say hello and L. Then this is the end of the body, and even I can call this one by writing parenthesis. If I run, function will be called and it will display hello. Yeah, it has displayed hello here. Next, let us see, can we pass some arguments? I will pass some arguments, x and y. Then this function, instead of displaying hello, it will say sum is. Then let us display x plus y. And I have to pass some parameters, so I'll pass 10 and 30. Let us run this. Yeah, 10 and 30, result is 40. So it is taking parameters. This is how you can send the parameters. Now next, I'll remove the calling of a function, and even I will not display anything. I will say return x plus y. And then I will write down values like 10 and 30, and here I will use it in cout. And this whole thing must be enclosed in brackets. Let us run. Yeah, answer is 40. So this means this function is returning a integer type of value. I can also take it in some variable. Let us say a assign something. Then I'm passing the parameters 10 and 30 and it is adding them and returning the result. So the result is taken here. If you want to mention the return type, then you can mention return type here. After the parameter list, you can mention the return type. So if I want to use that a, I can display the value of a in the next line, cout a. So let us run the program. I should get the answer 40. Yes, I got the answer as 40. So this is how you can write lambda expression which is taking the parameters also. Now let us look at next type of lambda expression. So here I will have some variable a having value 10. Now I want this lambda expression to access that a. So inside the body I will display the value of a and L. So and also I will call this function. Can I access this a? So I get an error that a doesn't belong to this lambda expression. So in the capture list I can say that I want to access a. So if I run, I'll get the value a displayed. Yes, value 10 is displayed. Now instead of calling this lambda expression, I will assign it to some variable. Let us say auto f. So it is assigned to some variable f. Then if I call this f, then if I want to use this f, I can call it as a function. So this f has become a function name for lambda expression. It's a lambda variable. I'm calling this for 2 times, then every time it should display the value of a. I will run and show you. So it should display 10 and 10. Yes, 10 and 10 are displayed. Now next thing is, after displaying it 1 time, I will increment the value of a. So a becomes 11. And next time when I call this function, that is this execute this lambda expression, I should get the value 11. But here it is a 10, so 10 is taken here. Let us see whether it will display 10 or 11. First time it will display 10 because a is a 10. It is displaying a. Next time again when I call, again it is displaying a. But that time the value of a is 11. Let us see what it will do. So both the times it is taking 10. So it means this a is replaced by 10 when I have defined this lambda expression. So if I want this a to be accessed directly, whatever the value is present, it should take the current value of a. So then I should make this lambda expression capable of accessing that one. So I should say reference of a. Now if I run, See, first time I got the value of a as a 10, then next time I got the value as 11, because here first time when I am displaying, it is having a value of a as 10. Then next a plus plus a becomes 11. Then second time when I am displaying, it is displaying the value 11. So in the capture list, we can mention the variables that are within the scope, and we can make them accessible inside Lambda expression. And by reference also we can access, so that they can take the current value of local variables or the variables within the scope. And even if I say a plus plus, then let us see what happens. It is increment the value of a. So first time it was 10, then second time it became 12. Reason is, second time when I have called, first time when I have called, it became 11, and this a plus plus, it has made it as 12, and this is displaying value 12. So the first call made it 11, and again one more a plus plus is making it as 12. So that's how we can have Lambda expression, and we can assign them to some auto variables, and we can use them as functions. Now even Lambda expression can be sent to a function as parameter. So let us see how we can send a Lambda expression to a function as parameter. I will write one function with name fun, which will take a template type f, and here it will call f. Now this f is a template type, so what I'll do here is I will call that, I will remove all these things, and I will call that function fun by passing f, function fun by passing f, and there it will call that function. So this f is passed here. I'll change the name. Instead of f, I will say p, and let us say this also is p. So p is used for a reference to this function, and it will call the function. So the same Lambda expression will be executed. Let us see what happens. It is displaying 10. Then if I call it one more time, let us see what will be the result. So first time it is 10, and the second time is 11. So it means that this Lambda expression, no doubt it is passed to this function as p, and from here it is being called, but still it can access the captured variable of this Lambda expression. So Lambda expressions are very flexible for writing or defining a function or the scope of a function within a line or within a block of statements. So it is helpful for writing nested functions also. So these are just like nested function. And this is the feature of functional programming, which is used in artificial intelligence. So recently many languages have started supporting Lambda expressions. So also C++ supports Lambda expressions. So that's all. You can try this application, these Lambda expression by yourself.